Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to use Slides AI and make a presentation quick and easy. In here, we already opened our Google Slide. We will focus on how to make presentation using Slides AI. Click on Extensions, go to slidesai.io, and click on Generate Slides. And then, this window will appear. In here, you can copy and paste your own text to make the presentation. Just input in here all the topics that will be added to your presentation. And in this topic option, you can type in your presentation topic alone and input additional information that you needed for your presentation. You can also customize the number of slides that you want for the presentation. It is also your choice if the Slides AI will add images to your presentation. You can also choose the theme. And after you are done setting up the elements for your presentation, click on Create Slides. In a few moments, Slides AI will generate your presentation. And it is done. If you have something to add or change, you can do it. As we can see here, this is our generated presentation made by Slides AI. Let's preview it by clicking in here. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can navigate your presentation. If you want to edit and add something on your presentation, up here are the menu bars and other edit tools. You can also change the theme here, and you can import themes also. Other options that you can do here is put a comment. We can present this presentation via video call. And by clicking in here, we can generate the link of our presentation. To download and export our presentation in Slides AI, click on File and go to Download. And in here, you can download it in PowerPoint, ODB document, PDF document, and plain text. And that is how to use Slides AI and make a presentation quick and easy. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!